Hello and welcome to the festive edition of our OPUS cocktail making class. Now it's time for a festive favourite from across the pond, a beautiful velvety eggnog using alcohol-free spiced rum so all of the family can enjoy. However, if you would like something with a little bit more of a kick, you can substitute this for something stronger. So for the eggnog, you will need 6 large egg yolks, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of milk, 2 whole cloves, cinnamon sticks, 1 cup of double cream, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of alcohol-free spiced rum. This recipe will make around 4 servings. However, if you are looking to cater for more guests, you can always double the recipe. To start, we'll need to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Oh, these are so fresh. You'll now need to beat the eggs until they become light in colour. Slowly add the sugar, beating after each addition. So once all the sugar is added, beat at a high speed until fluffy. Next we will add the milk, cloves and cinnamon into a pan and heat until the mixture is steaming. Always keep an eye on your milk, because if left unattended it will boil over. Once the mixture is steaming, remove your cinnamon sticks and cloves. Add half of the mixture into your eggs to temper, whisking constantly as you add. Now that you have tempered your egg and milk mixture, this can now go back into the pan. The mixture can now be heated until it thickens, but be careful, do not let it boil, otherwise it will curdle. Once the mixture is thickened, we can remove from the heat and then add our cream. We can then strain our mixture to remove the cloves and the cinnamon and then leave to chill for an hour. Now that the mixture is cooled down, we can stir in our nutmeg, vanilla extract and alcohol-free rum and serve. And there you have it, a super silky eggnog for the entire family. For our recipe, head to the website. Merry Christmas and enjoy. Cheers. God, the hell, that's well good, that is.